Welcome, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We are here with another video. We show you how good ultrasonic cleaning machine is. Does it really do what it says on the tin? Stick around and you'll find out. We always aim to debunk the myth and break the magic spell. It's quite common when you're swiping through Instagram Reels or any other social media platform, come across ads showing stuff which is too good to be true. Majority of time, indeed it is, too good to be true. 80% of time it never lives up to our expectations. Here we want to make sure before you buy anything, you are pretty well aware about the item, that how it stands on the grounds of reality. Ultrasonic cleaning device is a handy little gadget. This can be used for cleaning glasses, giving a good clean to, makeup brushes, and above all, your expensive jewelry. Fetch to triple the batteries and you are good to go. All you need is nice clean water and the item you are cleaning. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Place your glasses in carefully and pour some water in. But hey, don't overfill it, please. Put the lid on and flip the switch. For at least 5 minutes, let the magic happen. But we, being we, threw some normal washing up liquid in. But you don't have to. Relax. Go get yourself a cup of coffee. At end of 5 minutes, don't expect some jaw-dropping, astonishing and shocking results. It's not Instagram Reel where glasses come out as shiny as just collected a pair from Specsavers. Oopsie daisy. Someone must have soaked his fingers in fairy liquid. Like I said before, glasses are clean. For additional shine, take it under the fresh water and run a soft bristle toothbrush around the frame rim and nose pads. Otherwise, if you're expecting a magical spell to have it restored to its former glory, then you'll be disappointed. Time for makeup brushes. See how clean they'll come out of this pond. Fresh new water with used makeup brushes. Ultrasonic cleaner left running for 5 minutes. You can tell by looking at water, definitely brushes had a good wash. Most of the residue has been dislodged and ready to come out of the roots. All you need is a little wash under the running tap and squeeze. Let's see how the jewelry will come out after a 5 minutes wash in ultrasonic cleaner. Bearing in mind that jewelry, especially the earrings, were considerably dirty. We'll find out if those all come out sparkling like we see in advertisement. I expect you want nothing but the truth. Don't want to be disappointed, do you? Especially when you're going to be buying one for yourself. Results were pretty disappointing, to be frank. Just like Superman and Batman only exist in the movies. Similarly, the perfect results for these devices only come out in Instagram Reels. Once jewelry's out of ultrasonic cleaner for better results. Put your jewelry under the fresh water and give it a rub. Trust me, it'll be shining again. So folks, happy cleaning if you've bought one. And hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.